In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column to a list view in Salesforce. This is a quick guide designed to help you make your data viewing experience tailored and efficient. Whether you're organizing accounts, opportunities, or contacts, customizing your list view can greatly enhance your ability to analyze and manage your data. So let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is click on the app launcher. The app launcher is your gateway to finding all the different features and services available within Salesforce. It's usually represented by a grid icon at the top left of your screen. Once you're in, you're going to want to search for the specific object you want to work with. This could be accounts, opportunities, contacts, or any other object your organization uses. Simply type the name of the object into the search bar and select it from the list of results. Once you've navigated to the object page, it's time to choose which list view you want to modify. A list view is like a window into your data, showing a set of records based on specific criteria. Here, you can select a standard list such as all accounts, or one that's been custom created to suit your needs. Click on the particular list view you wish to enhance. Now we're at an exciting part. In the top right corner of the list view, look for the gear icon, which represents the list view controls. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, go ahead and select fields to display. When you choose this option, a new window will appear. This is where you get to see all the fields available in the object. These fields are essentially the data points that you can add as columns in your list view. Think of these fields like the headers of a spreadsheet, where each field holds unique information about the records. From here, locate the field you wish to add to your list view. This could be something like phone, website, industry, or any other relevant field. Once you've found it, click the right arrow to move it over to the selected fields section. This next step is pretty handy. You can reorder your columns by selecting the field names and using the up or down arrows. This allows you to prioritize the information that is most important to you, giving you a customized view of your data. Finally, after you've added and arranged your columns just the way you like, make sure to click Save. And that's it, you've successfully customized your list view in Salesforce, enabling a more streamlined and effective workflow. Customizing your Salesforce list views in this way ensures that you're always seeing the data that's most relevant to you and your tasks at hand. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your Salesforce experience.